I am Fabián León, I am Fabián Masterchef, that's the account, and I am the finalist of the first Masterchef edition here in Spain. When you think about Spain, you can think of tapas, for example. And today we are going to cook Patatas Bravas. So for these Patatas Bravas, the ingredients that you need are very simple. And make sure that the dressing is all over the potatoes. Okay, like that. The oven is preheated here at 200 degrees. The sauce of these potatoes is used to be very spicy. A very special and very local sauce here in Catalonia is alioli sauce. How do I make it? Very easy and very simple. I will put inside a little bit of milk. Then garlic. I will begin to mix it together, to pulverize it. I will also add the olive oil. Okay, it's done. I'm used to cook healthy, quick and easy recipes. Look at this sauce. That's the sauce that we were looking for. I encourage you, of course, to make your own version of this Patatas Bravas and of course publish it on your stories and share it with us. Only have to tag Mercury